Hey everybody, this is a quick video to tell you how to hard reset a diesel on Axial smartwatch in case you're having issues with it not connecting to your device, or it keeps disconnecting or freezing or bugging in some way, or if you've just gotten this watch from somebody or giving it away and you just want to wipe it clean to and restore the factory default settings. We can do that very easily. All we need to do is, with the screen on, we're just going to swipe down and then select settings, the little settings gear icon. Once the settings menu opens, we can swipe up to scroll through it until we get to system, and then we'll hit system, and then from system we'll again swipe up to get to disconnect and reset. You'll select disconnect and reset. Then it'll take you to a little confirmation where it says it's going to reset all the settings to default, and you're going to hit OK to confirm it. And then it will take just a minute to erase everything and restart. And while you're waiting, if you're interested in getting a credit card, Chase will give you $200 for free just for signing up for the card. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But anyways, once the watch turns back on, it will be like it came out of the box.